Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Is it safe to say now that Masicka, pound for pound, is a more well-rounded artist than Alkaline? Musically, is it now safe to say that Masicka understands what it means to be an artist?
A few moments later.
Masicka having more fun with his career. In his career, Masicka is more likable, is more connected to the street, is more connected to the people, and that is why Masicka's songs, when him drop him song, them it goes straight to the vein. Them hit right away.
You keep talking, man, and you shut the fuck up.
Them hit right away. So the question is Masicka this album, right? Should this album end the debate about Masicka and Alkaline? Because we can't use leverage card anymore, because the two man them make crazy amount of money, the two man them do crazy things. But I just feel like Masicka understands more what it is to be the people's artist. You understand? While Alkaline, him stuck in his own world, him having day one fan, him not here to gain no more. You know what I mean? To me, Alkaline is not even having fun with his career. Which is
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
Boy, Gaza fans, me have to laugh, star. Me have to laugh, yeah, man. Boy, every time I listen to Masicka to Bombard, he come like him and put himself in one deeper and deeper and deeper hole to Bombard.
Brother, what's that?
When I hear Masicka talk, you can't say Masicka ain't in a war, nobody, brother. Masicka not even the mess in a war. The time when Masicka there about up himself and I jump in at the dance, it's like him done with that.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
It kind of funny how Masicka attack everybody and show shades at everybody. Expect one man. Expect one man. And guess who the man they be? Alkaline.
One eternity later.
Boom, watch his style. Yo, Masicka dropping album last night, youth. I'm go on tell him to say, yo, it ain't tough. A man album bad people. You see me I did? I'm not compare to no other album, you know. You see?
You don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that about represent fully.
I don't know one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, you don't know top stream dancehall artist album in the US. You understand? But look at it. NPT still reigning. Masicka they are number 1. God and Time they are number 7. Sometimes I just laugh. I kind of realize that them run with that bag of hype and thing. I see when the hype they done, you will choose this the reality. You understand? You no matter what them want to say, you know. You see sometimes you just see a bag of people are talking at the media. You know them are gonna say this and say that. But in due time, everything are gonna make sense soon. You see me? Yeah, man. So you don't know NPT number 4, same way. You see me? Masicka Forever the number 1. And this album was the first album to release in 2026. That's like what, 4 months ago? Still reigning same way. You understand? So the songs are doing well. You see it? I just one of them thing there. You see me? See it now? In a Jamaica with the number 9, still not the top 10 same way. You understand? Masicka the number 1 is a new album. You understand? I think I think I have a clean version of the album and is a raw version. But see the God and Time not depend it. Alkaline the number 2. Alkaline the number 9. Still a reigning same way. I just say go. You see me? The album always in a top 10. You see me? I just one of them things there. Just the album is a great album. You see me? We have bad song out of it. We have one of the biggest song out of it for the year right now, Girl Good, so it's a good look. When I get nothing out of God and Time. Let's see where Forever Rain can get out of it, which means a big song we can get. You understand? Yeah. You see it, I just one of them things there. But people, you know, so I see that list and I have to say, Jano, Vice Cartel have an album, God and Time, and Alkaline, different story, 1.6 mil 4 months ago. The biggest collaboration with Whiskey with Vice Cartel 2 months ago, still there. 7. This should have gone already. Our 742k 2 months ago, that should have gone already, brother. A big collaboration that, you know, then you have Alkaline graduate 2 million. If you look after that, Vice Cartel and Spice, our Genie, I be 100 and add message, Jaja, you. Alkaline sang them bad. Girl good at 8 point. This a hard, you know, people. 8.9, you know. So it a go on. But I tell them, God and Time album is not that type of album. You see, the name, and then you go put that type of body work there, it kind of kill the album there. So I just one of them thing there. You understand? But NPT are going good. You see me? But make me hear what that brother say.
Yes, my people. As usual, I always forward.
People, I can't believe say a man drop an album and them a say, yo, Masicka a better artist for Alkaline. I feel just laugh. I say, bro, una really delusional, you know me, G. Una use some competition thing. Well, it good for dancehall, but it's like, I don't know. Una kinda, because if you not just realize, bro, Alkaline do theme album alone, me, G. And it do well. You understand? Masicka have theme album, you don't know. Him regular people, them always have on him album. I just gang alone. You understand? And some other foreign acts and all of them little thing there. You see it? I just say got a label. The label have to make sure I say it have the quality. You see it? Yeah, man. So, where go you with that brother, I say?
In peace. But this lad might get under some artist fan base skin. And I've been listening to Masicka's third album since last night. Actually, just go to bed and listen to it last night and rise up back this morning.
You know what worst thing? It show you say the two best album is the NPT and this. The way you see people talk about it, if you realize God and Time not upon this, just to show you. You understand? Alkaline set the trend. You see it? And that's why Masicka make sure release him album this year. Them long time them for release. If you don't know, you know, there's a lot of songs take off Masicka album, you know. And put on, you know. Last minute, you know. You understand? Yeah, because the one with Skilly Bang, you must reply to that. I must say, how did Skilly Bang say something? So you must reply to that. A lot of the songs, them, you can see it. You understand? Yeah, man.
And still the body album. Great body of work. It's safe to say this is a 3D because 438 Generation of Kings and Forever Rain are three solid bodies of dancehall albums. Three solid albums in the dancehall space. Big up Masicka. My favorite song on the album so far the one with my Craft God. Alright. That one the bad. I like Craft God verse Simple and Deadly. By the way, I don't know who put them two together. I never know say I needed these two artists.
Yo, a bad song still. You see me, but I don't know. When it comes to Masicka, him collaboration, them are always bigger than him singles, them. Jaja youth.
Safe shot, but it definitely work. Whoever did that, kudos to you. Pick up yourself. I want to say real quick before I end off like this. Is it safe to say now that Masicka, pound for pound, is a more well-rounded artist than Alkaline? Musically, is it now safe to say that Masicka understands what it means to be an artist? Masicka having more fun with his career. In his career, Masicka is more likable, is more connected to the street, is more connected to the people, and that is why Masicka songs, when him chopping song, it goes straight to the vein. Them hit right away. So the question is,
yo, we are telling the man say when him drop him song, it hit right away, me G. Yo, you know say una mash up Masicka career. But kinda, you see, una no see. Let me tell you see the rate. Una na know what go on. Una no see what go on, me G. Una na see what go on, me G. Me tell you already, you know. Una force rap in Masicka, you know, because you have Alkaline and Alkaline. Now me see why. Una kinda said that when it comes to artists because una see Masicka link up with a bag of artists, him and everybody good. And that's why una see Alkaline really do that. And him albums them are always him. You understand? That's why I don't talk like that. But if you check the facts is there. Alkaline are the better artist, me G. If you don't know that. Una just a look pan some little, alright. Him get a few collaboration there so. Yeah, with some reggae artists and some this and that artists. And that are the problem. You see me? Not because people like you more than that person, I mean say you're the better artist, me G. You see me? Whatever people can easily get access to, them are gonna prep up the artist there. Just remember that, me G. You see me? Masicka in the streets and them all of them little thing there. But no mean say it'll give them major songs, them, me G. Remember say man have a distribution deal and him not get no major songs, bro. You see me? Him not really get no major songs. Him drop some good body of work, yes, but what the major songs them out of the album? You understand? That's the problem, you know. Man can't just drop, artists just drop album, that's it, boom, it gone. And I just say, yo, a good project them. Yes, a good project. But what the benefit from it based on songs? Where him can name a song where you know say, yo, that song yeah. Masicka biggest song after so many years now is Whites. Biggest song. You understand? But you see, through now watching performance them, we not realize. Me know so the Jamaica scene will hype up Masicka and thing because I one of them youth there. But when him go there in the world is a different thing. It's a different thing. And certain little things with the media, I don't realize what I want, but we are going to see, you know. That me I tell you, we are going to see. Is it?
Is Masicka this album, right? Should this album end the debate about Masicka and Alkaline? Because we can't use leverage card anymore. Because the two man them make crazy amount of money. The two man them do crazy things. But I just feel like Masicka understands more what it is to be the people's artist. You understand? While Alkaline, him stuck in 9-1 world, him having day one fan, him not here to gain no more. You know what I mean? To me, Alkaline is not even having fun with his career, which is alright to each his own. But if you listen to that video, yeah, I just...
How someone have fun with them career? Yo, where them people come from, people? Where them people come from? So, okay. So, through Masicka friendly with everybody. Oh, that make him a better artist. And you are going to say, remove the leverage card. So, Masicka dropping an album means say, him is a more better artist than Alkaline, my G. That don't even make no sense. That not make no sense. But I just feel like say at the competition, at the fans thing, make uno think so. Because everybody can tell us Alkaline a more bigger artist, better artist for Masicka. I just through Masicka rated by a lot of people. If Alkaline did want people to rate him not friend them up too and go around them and they every party in a street, everything. Alkaline don't need that, my G. Sometimes when they just give away energy. Remember, you know, people can they around you and friendly with you, you know, and still not rate you, you know. Them just want you they around them to give them strength. We don't know that. You understand? That's why Alkaline build him thing. Because we don't know not about fans grow and all of them little thing, them, my G. People just have found out and defend the Masicka thing through the cartel thing and the split up, my G. No, but years ago, nobody never really meds them little thing there. Actually, the competition now between Vice Cartel and Alkaline and Masicka make everybody attack right now. You see me? But you see, sometimes people may not like talk. I love when the reality show. You see it? Me did know say this got me now when it comes to Masicka album. I rate the PR where them a do. I rate where Def Jam a do a put out the album and a pay promotion. You see the bag of interviews, everything. It's so funny. Remember, you know, Alkaline was the first artist, dancehall artist, when he come to Arena for release an album, you know. Close to that, you know. And Masicka come do it. So Masicka watch what I go on. Remember, you know, bro. Remember, say, all of these years, you know, Masicka for drop album, you know. Masicka never drop him album in August, you know. And it's so funny, he might drop him album the day before him Arena. See him like Alkaline. You understand? So he might follow the strategy. You see it? I just one of them things, them G. But you know I go see what I want when the reality show. You see me? I just one of them little things. Because look here now. If you have up a baby in your hand, you know, too long, you know, the baby now go learn to walk. You understand? You have to make the baby walk by themselves. You see me? So if you don't feel like say, oh, Masicka everybody a friend and all of them little things and them, yeah, them put him up there and really feel like say that I go carry him to a place. Alkaline did have to go through the fight and everything for reach where him there. He might have to learn to walk and walk that lonely road there. Remember say most of Masicka career, a lot of people give him that strength there and every little thing. So that's why I'm them favorite. Them can call him for a collaboration and all of them little thing there. I just saw me G, is it? So maybe I look on it on that perspective where you see everybody on Alkaline and the collaboration them, but you don't see that with Alkaline and I saw it go. You see me? But at the end of the day, still not take the leverage from the artist them.
The video when I make right now, when you go in the comment and tell me, does this album Forever Rain by Masicka and all the debates about if he's a better artist than Alkaline? Jump in the comment and let me know what I want. Right now, I go back and listen to the album. I go start it back again with Craft Card because of that one day it bad. Oh, by the way, before me end, I swear Masicka went to this album. This is an experiment. Album is an experiment, and him execute it well. If you listen to the songs, them, the flows, the slangs, everything about the album, Masicka is experimenting, and him and the producer them do a good job. I'm out.
And you know what the worst thing, people? It's so funny. You don't have to compare Alkaline album with Masicka album. Forget leverage and give him leverage. Wow. But remember this, my G. If we're not going to talk about albums, Masicka still don't have the album with reach a level, a new level and like that there right now. Because that album full up of classic songs where Alkaline sing today. You understand? And Masicka not get them the leverage of album there. Yeah, him put out a good album, but him still not reach new level and like my G. You understand? Him still, all me saying, I hope him get a big major song out of this. You see me? But me know say any song for really reach out of this, I must him and the one and Junior Gang, cause you know how the mall is that. You see me? I just one of them thing there.
Why Gaza fans? Me have to laugh, star. Me have to laugh, yeah, man. Why? Every time I listen to Masicka to bomb, it come like him and put himself in one deep and deep and deep hole to bomb.
Why some of the Gaza people them a use Alkaline for beat Masicka now? But then them usually use Masicka for go off Alkaline. Now them a use Alkaline for beat Masicka. Yo, judge what do you?
He man just a show up himself undercover, understyle, so make people look on him worse and worse. You see me? So the same interview again, you know. The woman, you know, ask Masicka say, you know. When thing about clash career and when thing about clash in a dancehall music and thing, you see me? When thing about clash in a dancehall music and thing, you hear what Masicka say, him is a person who love clash and he has no problem for clash, you see me? Because over the years of so he always pray and think, you see me? But the reason why in clash family, because in the have local time for and say, see the mind game. Just see the mind game. People, all along, you know. People been a say, you know, Masicka Fraid Alkaline, Masicka Fraid Alkaline, you know, Masicka Fraid Alkaline, you know. Me never did say it, you know, to be honest, you know, me never did say Masicka Fraid Alkaline, you know, because you know say Masicka lyrical and thing, bro, until what the again, Mr. Tamli kill him, and show me really say, Masicka no talent for you. What do you Tamli rub him, Mr. Say struggling, balling for him, really say, him nobody for you, no talent. You see me? And then now, be aware upon the interview, him ever say, because in the have time for and why he answer Leroy. Leroy, no, because you can't call him man, you know, because all you try to do is just avoid the conflict with your family, because you know, you claim to say enough for yourself, you know, you use strategy, you know, but if you say Leroy, you don't want to say family, you know, because you know, say 99% don't know who your family, that time I'm birth name, you know, Leroy, you know, so you know, want to say you know, want to say family, you say Leroy, understand, and you have to say because they have local time for your hand, what you answer Leroy, so over the years now, you only see me tell you, say this boy come to you can realization, say this boy must afraid Alkaline for you, you know, the boy fear Alkaline for you in real life, you know. You say in a way because you have local time by and why you are family. So over the years, all the years for your boss until now people why you are Alkaline. You don't get the time all now. You don't get the time for Alkaline all now. Because in a way you know the reason why you are family now because they have local time by and you know. So over the years you know why you are Alkaline single more than one distract for you.
You know why worst thing? And them as the Gaza people you want Masicka war Alkaline, you know. You see me? And it's so funny that him and family end up war kind of put them in a like a way, like a hurtful way. You see me? Yo, Jada, that's
You know answer Alkaline, so I really so afraid Alkaline. Oh, I really afraid Alkaline Masicka. Just say afraid of bomb like Alkaline Masicka for true. You have time what if you war Leroy, but you can't find time for war Alkaline. Fuck you see where you do this so. You're afraid of Alkaline for true. Masicka you good on you know. Masicka you're going down. You're going down. You come down you know Masicka. Sorry for you.
Masicka good youth in a dance. Me listen Masicka interview Masicka. Masicka, how I go now? Yeah, the good youth, how I go. Yeah, good boy, man. Yeah, man, yeah, big up all tablet, a good boy. Yeah. Bro, two of me, Masicka, I can't say Masicka in a war, nobody, brother. Masicka not even that mess no war. The time when Masicka they about up himself and I jump in the dance, it's like him done with that. You see me, I say, him focus on music and I draw them joy more. Masicka not focus on the war, man. Masicka a good youth. Big up yourself, Masicka. I'm not even mentioning Masicka. Big one thing I cause I'm gonna fuck him, man, you hear that? Because
yeah, man. Bro, sometimes when Masicka say something, I even take him serious, my G. You see, him just do music, him just throw him and just gone. Him not serious, bro. When him ask the question, the clash about Alkaline, him not answer. Being him and answer for him. You see me? So, can I realize, a good youth, him just, you know, him just act. You see me?
him manipulate Masicka to eat Alkaline. If him never do that up to this day, we feel like we would get the Alkaline Masicka collab already. Believe it. You may tell you. Code man, you hear that?
It kind of funny how Masicka attack everybody. And show shades that everybody expect one man. Expect one man. And guess who the man be? Alkaline. Bro, me see my shades skilly bang. This cartel, in this is the one and this that one there. One to Alkaline. One to Alkaline. One to Alkaline. You want war vibes cartel when cartel put on badness. Put on badness in a music. You vex with the man because yeah, family you war, and the man pick up a family, which I ain't bring for family on the scene. So what you want the man do? Pick side with you, which you come for interview and say yeah, the man and a friend. So you want the man left for artist when bring forth on the scene and pick side with you. You fucking dickhead. You're only literate and don't say fuck. Alkaline you for two shades that you.
Boom, watch his style. Yo, Masicka dropping album last night, youth. I'm going to tell him, say, yo, it think tough. The man album bad people. You see me, I I'm not compared to no other album, you know. You see me, I but me I tell you, say, Masicka album.
Well, them have to do that. All who do it have to do that for promote Masicka album. You see me? Yeah, man.
Tough. You see me, I did? Me listen to every song on the album. Me never have a skip. You hear me tell you? Me never have a skip a tune. In our previous video, me was one of them we say we the anticipate the album. You see me? I'm not tell no lie.
Everything will drop last, I go anticipate me, G. I saw it go. First and last, I go be anticipate. You see me? Yeah, cause at the last, yeah, everybody I go want to see the last one. The first, everybody I go want to see the first. I saw it go.
Yeah, man. Brother,
Yeah, man.
you see me, I did? Your artistry, the prowess, the style, the flow them. Them did I say one flow you have. You see me, I did? But I want to hear what they have to say now. The album is well put together, me I say it again. You see me, I did? It's like listening to the album, me can see the picture where you try paint, bro. You have couple girl song well pande in a different moods and flows. You see me, I did? You have couple culture song pande. You see me? Yo, as me say culture, you don't know. That song there, where you drop with Junior Gang Broski. You see me? One Psalms a day.
It's so funny that him drop a this song and drop a, you can't even name it. You only name the collaboration. And that are the song me say most people are run with him and Junior Gang Marley because the highly respect of the Marleys. I kind of understand, but we don't know much to talk about it. We not like when me see them talk about people, a good album, you know. But when me see them talk about, I mostly like the collaboration, like with Gang and with Craft. Them two, them mostly me see them really talk about.
Bad piece of sitting. People can relate to that. If they look forward for a good day, the song they can play. If you feel like you go through something, the song they can play if you carry you through. That is how the thing them a hit, bro. You see me, I did? You do the right thing as far as how the album sound. You see me, I say? And me can challenge anyone to go listen to the album and then hear what them have to say. You see me, I did? That's how clear and confident you sound on your album, G. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. This album, any type of fan base or any type of fan, let's put it like that. Any type of fan where if you is a slow type of music person, you can find something on it. If you is a fast music type of person, you can find something on it. You see me? Whole heap of song upon your album, bro, where I'm sure you could have said, alright, then we can pick this and use this as the single if you go promote your album. That's how quality I believe your album is right there. So you see me? Believe. Because I tell you say, yo, when I listen to the thing them, bro, I tell you say, enough of the time I put a smile on my face and I say, yeah man, that's song bad. You see me? I'm play the next one and the same energy again. So I say, I saw it thing figure. You put in the work, you see me I did, granted me don't know how long, but you put in the work, bro, because I tell you say the project solid. You see me I did? No joke. See? Yeah man, and I go on and say, done well, you done well. You see what I did? Yeah man. Masicka and the producer they have a bad piece of chemistry when it comes down to making good music. You see me I did? You see me? The past projects are there for proof. Bruv, Forever Rain. But all of the talking when did I go on, broski, I feel like the way all your album sound, remember me tell you, all who did I criticize them have you sit down and listen to your album good. That is how proper of a project me would have want to say this album is. You see me I did? Crux General, Crux fan base. What me say? Everybody feel good, you see me? Yeah man, cause me listen to the album and I tell you say, me feel good about it. You see me I did? Yeah man, big up yourself broski, you see me I did? People, follow up the page, comment section. Do what I need video and make me know what the perspective might be about this album. You see me I did? I say, almost every song on the album could have been a single to promote the album. You see me? Make me know if I talk, if I not say sound to you. You see me? For real. Black, gold, green DNA.
Just one of them thing there, you know. You see me? Because at the end of the day, our 3 songs on the album were released already. I think our Life Have Seen, Bossy and Slip and Slide were released already. And I think our them size a 17 track or what? The other rest now with Gang and Craft and Lila Ike and I think an ex-African artist. You see me? But I saw it go still. Make we see which major songs otherwise from the one them released before. We're gonna see the major songs out of it. You see me? The Gang one have the potential, you see me? Cause you know Masicka songs them in most and big songs them are like, you know, people are the collaboration them otherwise from whites, you understand? But make we see no people, you see me, make we see what go on, you see. But big up on yourself people, you don't know what one media fox money up. That is it.